know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you gon' win.
What up, fam? Hey, we back with another video, and we back in the garage, man. It's always something to do. So today I'm gonna attempt to go ahead and finish up my parts from Mr. Gbody, the rear pods for the car, and wire everything up. I'm not gonna really show everything, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna show step by step. I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm gonna show, you know, what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna show after I do it, pretty much. We'll see how it go. But yeah, I want to get everything wired up and you know what I'm saying, show, you know, what everything looked like inside the car and lit up. So if you're here for the first time, man, or if you've been here and you hadn't subscribed, man, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you be notified when we dropping these videos, man. Like I told y'all, it's getting warmer outside. I'm up here in VA, man. We got all seasons, you know what I'm saying? But it's getting warmer outside, and we about to start working, man. I know y'all been waiting on the Cutlass. Know y'all been waiting on the C10. Hey, bear with me. You know what I'm saying? We coming. So yeah, just a recap, man. Hey, y'all already see the console in here from Mr. Gbody himself, man. I won that console. If you're late to the party and you need to catch up, man, this is of course not the original console. I won this console off a raffle at Frostbite 4 from Mr. Gbody, man. Real good dude. Y'all see the fitment. Everything look good. Got the cup holders in here. Got the voltmeter here and the push button. It's not hooked up right now, so that's why the lights ain't coming on. Nice little console. Y'all see all my junk in there. But you see the fitment, man. And the word is he booked for the year. So either start getting out there and doing it yourself or holler at somebody else, because the word on the street is he's booked for the year, man. I don't know how true that is or whatever, but y'all hit him up, man. He got a website, he got Instagram, he got Facebook, he got YouTube. Y'all hit him up. I can't speak for him. So if you want to inquire about a console, a rear deck, speaker pods, well, he didn't do the kick panels. These are the factory style ones. But he does all that. He does kick panels, he does consoles, he does rear decks, and he does the rear pods for the speakers or without the speakers. These what I'm working on. It's not fully installed yet, but I'm working on it. I want to make sure everything is good to go and get all my wiring connected so that I can connect everything up and just have one push button here to turn everything on and off. So y'all stay tuned, man. We getting it. All right, people, I'm back. So as y'all can see, the driver's side is mounted as well as the passenger side. I actually used some old speaker wire that I had for some 6x9s for the LEDs to kind of tie them in together. So what I did, I got my middle, the rear deck there. I took my cable from the driver's side and ran to my rear deck, just did a quick connect. And then I took that cable and came over here, as you can see the red and black right there, tied them in with this side. And then these are my cables here that's going to the front. Hey, we ain't finished yet. So far, it's just the back. Just the rear pods and the rear deck is hooked up so far. I don't have the console hooked up yet. These are my cables here. I ran them just like I ran some speaker wire right down that tunnel right there, and into this wire here. So see if we can get a little demonstration going here. Y'all bear with me. I got my little battery tender here. Give me a little power, but I'm gonna close the door. Close the door so we can get the full effect. So we're gonna hook these up. go. And then where my ground at? Oh, there it go right there. I tell y'all, it's hard doing this stuff with one hand. All right, there we go. Almost. All right, so this is what we looking like with that. I got, like I said, this is my test cable. Well, this ain't my test cable, but I'm using this battery tender to get power. If you've been following me for a while, you know I did the red on the rear deck. I may or may not change it, but I'm tired of taking my car apart, so I might just leave it red and leave the rest of them white. These are white as well. I think I like the white better, even though I got red all over the car and stuff, but I think I like the white better. Like I said, I'm not really gonna use it that much. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much just for reels and shorts. That's what they gonna be utilized for. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Let me turn the light off. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. So there we go. Y'all see it? Team Gbody. Team Gbody. But yeah, so rear pods, rear deck, can't really see it from up there. Rear deck got the Monte Carlo SS, and then you got the pods with the Team Gbody on both sides. It's a good look, y'all. It is a good look. And then soon we'll have the console hooked up. That's easy. I already got everything wired back here, so I'm gonna get my seats back in and then run my cables under the carpet or up under the dash and hit the back of the console. Then that way we'll have push button action. Get my light back on so I can see. But yeah, so like I said before, these cables here, got them running down the door seal right here. I'm gonna run them up and around that speaker, that kick panel, and around there. Hit it in the back of that console right there. And we're gonna have some power, man. There's 3 cables in the back. I know I think he said a constant 12-volt switched and then ground. I can't remember correctly, but whatever. It's gonna get hooked up. Easy, man. Just 3 wires back there. But y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's looking pretty good, man. Of course, I'll be back, man. I got to go to work. So, got to go to work, and I'll get back on this either tonight when I get off or tomorrow. I'm going to try to drop this video as soon as possible because I know this weekend I'm going to be really busy. I got family coming in town and everything. So, I'm trying to get this done and get these videos pushed out to y'all, man. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Look at that. Monte Carlo SS. Matter of fact, man, I'm going to end up putting this back apart because I actually want my guy I'm going to have him to turn this Monte Carlo SS around probably so it'll be facing outboard, like the trunk. I don't know. I may or may not. Like, I don't really feel like pulling this stuff out again, but y'all get it. Y'all see what it's looking like. See what it's looking like. It's tough now. Yes, sir. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all, man, when I get off. And I'm gonna run the rest of these cables to the console, and then we're gonna have a complete set here. Team Gbody, man, Mr. Gbody. All right, y'all, I'm back. Copyright. Yeah, copyright. We make sure we don't get no copyright infringement. But hey, I'm back. We got everything put together here. As you can see, it ain't no wires nowhere. Got everything ran from the back to the front to the console. As you can see now, I got my voltage there and there. My constant power. And before I throw on the lights and everything, I want y'all to get the full effect, man. So I'm gonna cut the lights in the garage. And we're gonna see. Let's see. Hit this button right here. Yes, sir. And then you see the back, the rear deck. But yeah, we lit now, man. Everything hooked up. Easy process, man, especially if you got a little bit of, know-how. Hey, man, it's just a few simple wires, man. So like I said earlier, I think I might have said it wrong, but it's 3 wires coming from the back of the console. There's a yellow wire, which is your constant power. And then there's a red wire, which is your power that's gonna come from the rear. And then there's a ground. I ended up running my ground all the way up from the back to here, but I could have just grounded it in the back of the car. I didn't think about it, but I got ahead of myself. Either way, a ground is a ground is a ground. So we got action, man. Cup holders lit up, Team Gbody in the front and the back, and then the Monte Carlo. Yes, sir. Everything is fully functional. As you can even see too, when I hit that button. I mean, the car ain't running right now or whatever. So let me turn this off. Car ain't running right now or whatever, but as you can see, when it gets some power, the voltage drop down a little bit. Matter of fact, I need to put my car on the I need to put my battery on the tender, because I've been out here in and out of the car with these lights on and off. Man, I gotta replace my light over there under the dash too. But this is what we got, man. Yes, sir. Push of a button, man. Easy install. Easy install, man. It's looking pretty good. I'm satisfied. Look good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, man. I'm probably gonna, actually, I got a little bit of time, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit of this stuff, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little B-roll or whatever they call it of the whole, setup that I did, man. I got a little time. I'm gonna end the video with that, man. If you've been here for a while, or if you're just here for your first time, man, and you hadn't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we're dropping these videos, man. 87 says, boy, we out of here. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
Say you're gonna be in love with me. It's driving me crazy.
Okay, wrist so wet I might dry. Bitch, don't talk, you going out town. I done made 6 half for the whole week. Plug wanna play, then I'm going OT. I just made 4, 5, 7 on what? I hop in that scat and I'm bending your block. Nigga want scrap, well let it go rock. My little nigga got it, I bet he gon' pop. I can make 10 off face, no feeling. 6 got like krillin', I'm smoking gorilla. Couple my niggas just caught that nigga that was running off dog. I know they gon' kill him. Smoking on killer and taking your bitch on the trip and them fucked on the floor of my villa. I ain't got time for 2 things. What? These stupid ass hoes and they feelings. Ayy, all in the pinning, my bitches just calling, they get it. They know they just falling off thinning. Chocolate vanilla can't hot, so I hopped out the dealer. I caught a new car and I tin it. Won't lie, little bitch had a nigga down, but now that I'm out of my feelings, I'ma stack the money so tall in the crib, it be looking like the roof came out of my ceiling. Soon as I hop in, I tune, scooping that bitch like a spoon. I got this effortless sin like that bitch is in tune. Look at it fade when we walked in the room. Ayy, 35 Mac 10s. Ayy, I kill me playing my back end. Fucking that show and I'm making her back bend. After my niggas walk in, we tagged in. Ayy, right off the bat, so that she know that I'm back. But I doja that cat. She with that thong, I like them tights. You pulling that pussy to show that it's fat. Made back to back with the double up. Hot the new duffel, it came with the double star. Then I put the trunk inside the front. So when I'm backing up, I still front on every one of y'all niggas. Hot, then a scat, bitch, I'm back. Where have you been? $50,000 on my jack, going stupid. Back outside every every time. It's a new